think a lot of people, rightfully so, say, whoa, I'm their competitors, so they are able to take market design executive orders instead of roadblocks to give him a competitive advantage. I mean, that takes what Nancy Pelosi does to a whole new level. The Joe Biden phone there is, it's not even covert anymore. It's right in your face. It's additional regulation or tax that I'm putting on them. So good. So then they know all of your health data. Here's a down payment of $100. Status coming soon, so I don't know when that is. According to Elon Musk, that could be anywhere from a year to 10 years, or just indefinite. Incentivizing Apple to bring back that manufacturing to the United States. A slippery slope right here, where, and she go for in August, more Spidey sense is going off here. You're going to do a phone designed and made in the United States, and you're going to have this thing ready. You're not building sneakers here. There's a big difference between sneakers and selfies. Created, aren't made in the United States, but the tariffs on the input, something I'm not understanding here, but that seems. Okay, so now they're going over all the kind of the features. Was simply a white set at the end of the day. I don't know. Just wanted to. I think it's an interesting topic. I think it's interesting philosophically too.
See which direction it went. Dial up. Makes me want to not keep it. Let's see which direction I'll move this time. Let's see where we are. Much smaller movements. Much smaller movements. Very good. Plus 14. So close. Okay. So this watch, OBLVO, the white one that I got, it's a little bit more accurate than this one. Was I paid $192 on Amazon. So this one I paid $159.20, $159.20 shipped and taxed. So it's a $160 watch from Hong Kong. The weirdest thing is this with the kind of a brassy. The model is IM-MU-T 316 stainless steel back, 5 atmosphere or 5 bar water resistance. Marked caliber 1850, but that means nothing. Marked 24 joules. I don't know if I believe that. Marked genuine leather. It is OBLVO automatic IM-MU-T. It was marked as a see-through OBL 1910 self-winding 72-hour power reserve movement, but that is false. That was the Amazon ad for it with a 2-year warranty. I'm going to send that one back. It's the same movement as this. This is not OBL 1910. This is obviously a Chinese movement. It is a Chinese copycat movement. Somewhat akin to the Valjoux 7750, but its own Swiss-Chinese version of that. OBL 2350 is based on Celita SW200. That is not this movement, because that is also supposed to be 28800 movement. It is not 2824 movement. What movement is this? No idea. It is not the 2350 and it is not the 1910. It is some unrecognizable shitter of a movement. It is certainly a Chinese movement. Suppose I'll just go ahead and keep it at $160, but quite a shitter of a movement is this. I doubt that Sapphire even. Glass. Glass. There's a Damasco Sapphire. Real Sapphire. Real Sapphire, how about that? Okay. So it's real Sapphire for sure. How about that? So real Sapphire, timing you saw, 21600, low beat, low amplitude movement. It is automatic with automatic works. Back. Dial. Very kind of a bulbous crystal. Creates all kinds of light diffraction, reflections, all kinds of reflections. Might make it hard to read. The crown. Butterfly. Right there. Will do. So I'll wear it like this on the opposite side of the iWatch. iWatch here. Summarize. So this is the OBLVO. The movement is a low amplitude, like 260s to 290. 21,600 beats per hour movement. It seems to be mimicking the Valjoux 7750 chronograph function. It has numerous problems. The crown does not lock down. Today is Monday the 16th, so I'll set it to Sunday the 15th. When the second hand goes to 12, I'll pull out all the way to find midnight. Here we are, midnight. Then I shall advance until we find midnight, whether the date changes to Monday the 16th. That must have been noon on Sunday. And here comes midnight, right? Let's see if it turns at midnight. Oh, it doesn't. Oh, F3 to 4. How about that? So it's the Monday and the date doesn't work. Now, Monday the 7th. How about that? So the day and the date are off sync. What a shitter this watch is. The day and the date are off sync. Another sign of a shitter. I don't know if I should just return this because it's so off. Let's try advancing to midnight. See if it's still off sync. Last time it changed the date on like 3:30 a.m. Let's see if it turns at midnight this time. Oh, it's 16 at midnight, but the Sunday doesn't turn. Why isn't Sunday turning? Ah, there it goes. At 3:30 finally turns. What the fuck? Let's go to the current time, which is 8:30. Boom. The date is set. The day is set. Now this does have an annual. I don't know how to operate that. I'll read the instructions. Let's see what happens when. Yeah, it's got an annual calendar. The butterfly clasp, cowhide leather, real sapphire crystal. It should resist scratching. It has an annual calendar, day date, sweep second hand, brassy finish. Good look to it. Movement is shit. The OBLVO Chinese watch made in Hong Kong. The accuracy in real day-to-day use over the next few days. I'll send back the white dial one back to Amazon.
You wanna,
These were cut yesterday. That one looks pretty real good right there. Look at that.